Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So yesterday we finished our topic locus, 4 marks topic, which is very simple and we have to follow the same format for all the problems of locus, and method wise I solved one question, right? So I said solve the remaining questions. So what I am giving the questions are very selected questions, so compulsory be perfect with those questions. Okay, today we will go to next topic, transformation of AXES. Transformation. What is the meaning of transformation? Transformation means change, right? So sometimes we will say how transformed she is, how a lot of transformation came in her, like that they will say. That means a change, right? So here we are doing the topic as transformation of axis, that means change in the axis. So axis means coordinate axis, you know it very well. Coordinate axis means just in the plane we will take two perpendicular lines and they will intersect at one point, that is called the origin, right? So this is called the coordinate axis, right? So how there will be change in this axis, how many ways we can change it, that is called transformation of axis. Today we are dealing with that change in the axis. So here change in the axis happens in two ways. First is called translation of axis. Chapter name is transformation of axis. Transformation of axis means change in the axis. If some changes comes in the axis, automatically the coordinates of the point will change. Consequently, the equation of the locus of that point also changes. See, this is the coordinate axis. If we take one point in p x comma y, if we change the axis, right, if any changes comes in terms of axis, definitely there will be changes in the coordinates of the point x comma y, right. If the changes in point comes, automatically the equation of the locus of the point also changes. Okay, so here questions will be like this. Suppose this is the transformation, what is the change in the given equation, like that they will ask. So 4 marks, right, question from this topic, compulsory 100% 4 marks question you are going to get in your board exam, right. So what is the name of the topic? Once again, transformation of axis. Transformation means change in the axis. So how many ways we can change the axis? Means two ways we can change. First one is shifting the origin from one place to another place without changing the directions of x and y axis. See, observe carefully here. This is your x axis, this is your y axis, this is the origin. Just we are shifting the origin from here to another place without changing the x and y axis direction, without changing the direction of x and y axis. So now this is your new axis, x o y is the original axis, that is your transformed axis. So if there is a transformation, if there is a change in the axis, definitely there will be change in x and y values. So what are the changes in x and y values after the translation of axis? If we shift the origin, then it is called a translation of axis. Don't get confused. Chapter name is transformation of axis. Transformation of axis means change in the axis. Now I am saying we are having two types of changes. First one is a translation of axis. When it happens, if we shift the origin from one place to another place, then translation of axis happens. First type is translation of axis. Second type is rotation of axis. We will deal that one in next class. Today's class we are dealing with translation of axis. Translation means shifting the origin of the coordinate axis to one place to another place. Then we can say that translation of axis happened. So after this translation, what are the changes in the x and y coordinate of your point is x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. So after the translation, right? So the change in x and y is x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k, right? So x comma y is the points of P and h comma k are the coordinates of the shifted origin. Okay, so the equation before the translation is called original equation. The equation after the translation is called the transformed equation. Change. There will be change in the x values. That's why it is called transformed equation. Starting equation is called, before the translation is called the original equation. After the translation, that means after shifting the origin, it is called the transformed equation. So we will do some simple problems based on this translation of axis. Once again, what is meant by translation of axis? If we shift the origin, right, from one place to another place without changing the directions of x and y is called translation of axis. So when translation of axis happened, what will be changes in the coordinates of the point means x changes to x dash plus h, y changes to y dash plus k. Actually, what is this x dash y dash? This is the coordinate points, right? P x dash y dash is the coordinates with respect to new axis. Okay, so p x comma y are the points with respect to old axis. P x dash y dash is the point with respect to new axis. Okay, so now come to the question. When origin is shifted to -1 comma 2 by translation of axis, so here mentioned translation of axis, find the transformed equation of. So after shifting the origin, what will be your new equation? That is the question. So come on, we will solve our first question, right? So from this topic we have to solve only 4 marks questions, no need to solve 2 marks questions, right? Why means from this topic we are going to get one 4 marks question confirmly 100%. So come on, what is the question? So when origin is shifted to, what is the given information to you? Given that h comma k is equal to, what is h comma k? It is -1 comma 2, right? By translation of axis, find the transformed equation of this one. So transformed equation of this equation means the given equation is original equation. So come on, original equation is, what is the given equation? Write it correctly. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is your original equation. They asked to find the transformed equation. That means after the shifting the origin, what will be your equation? So always remember, original equation will be in terms of x and y, and transformed equation will be in terms of x dash y dash. I said p x comma y is the point with respect to original axis, and p x dash y dash is the point with respect to transformed axis. So come on, after the shifting, what happens to our x value? X is equal to x dash plus h. So it is x dash plus h. What is h? -1 plus of minus -1, right? Similarly, y is equal to y dash plus k. So y dash, what is your k? Plus 2. Therefore, transformed equation is, right, full form, transformed equation is, so wherever x is there, we have to take x dash -1. Wherever y is there, we have to take y dash plus 2. So come on, x dash -1 whole square plus y dash plus 2 whole square plus 2 into x dash -1 minus 4 into y dash plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So a minus b whole square form. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Same thing, a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Plus 2x dash minus 2 minus 4y dash minus 8 plus 1 is equal to 0. Try to write in the order always. In mathematics we will write everything in order, right girls? We are very systematic people, isn't it, math students? So it is x dash square plus y dash square. Then you take your terms. So observe, minus 2x dash plus 2x dash cancels, plus 4y dash minus 4y dash cancels. Now leftover value 1 plus 4, 5, right? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 10, that is minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 8, minus 10. So minus 10 plus 6 is this one, is the transformed equation. See, at the end your equation is in terms of x dash, y dash. That is called transformed equation. So very simple, very easily you can score 4 out of 4 for this problem. So what is the given information? Origin is shifted. So shifted origin is always denoted by h comma k in this chapter. So h comma k is equal to, in this chapter, shifted origin is h comma k. Okay, so minus 1 comma 2. Find the transformed equation of this equation, means that is the original equation. Before the transformation, that is the equation of point P. So original equation is, always original equation will be in terms of x and y. So find the transformed equation. After the shifting, what happens the equation? Obviously there will be change in the equation also. What will be that change? Means in x place becomes, it is formula, after the transformation x becomes x dash plus h, find out. Y becomes y dash plus k, find out. Then in the original equation you substitute your transformed values. That means transformed values means in x place this one, y place this one. Then you will get your required transformed equation. So at the end your equation will be in terms of x dash, y dash. So that is called transformed equation. So come to the second question. So read the second question. When the origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2, right? Transformed equation is given to us. Transformed equation is x square plus 2y square plus 16 is equal to 0. Find the original equation. See the difference. Here find the transformed equation. Here find the original equation. Here we have to find transformed equation. Okay. So sometimes they will give original, we have to find transformed. Sometimes they will give transformed, we have to find original. Already I said to you, I'll give method wise one problem. Remaining problems you have to solve from the textbook, Telugu Academy textbook, right? So first problem, original is given to us, we have to find transformed equation. Now in this question, shifted origin is given to you and transformed equation is given to you. So come on girls, what is the given information? Given that shifted origin is always denoted by h comma k. It is given as minus 1 comma 2, right? And transformed equation is given to you, and transformed equation is, come on, what is the transformed equation? Actually it is given in terms of x and y, but whenever it is transformed equation, I said it should be in terms of dash. So you write the given equation in terms of dashes. So x dash whole square plus 2y dash whole square plus 16 is equal to 0. So given equation is transformed equation. Whenever in the question equation is transformed, means you write that equation in terms of x dash y dash. Why? I said p x dash y dash is the point after the transformation. Okay, so after the transformation, equation should be in terms of x dash, y dash. But what is the x dash? We know that. What we know two formulas. What is that? X is equal to x dash plus h. With this we can find x dash value. X dash is equal to, send h this side, so x minus h. So is equal to x minus h. What is the value? Minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. Similarly, we know that y is equal to y dash plus k. But our equation is in terms of y dash. We are having the formula y, but equation is y dash. That means we need y dash value. That's why from this formula you get your y dash. Here also same thing. We know the formula of x dash plus h, but our equation is x dash. We have to substitute x dash. That means we need x dash value. So from this formula try to get your x dash. So similarly from this formula try to get your y dash is equal to, send k this side, it is y minus k is equal to y minus, what is k? It is 2. So x dash y dash values you got it. So question is find the original equation. So therefore original equation is, how we will get original equation? In the transformed equation, in x dash place you substitute this one, in y dash place you substitute this one. So in x dash it is x plus 1 whole square plus 2, y dash is y minus 2 whole square plus 16 is equal to 0. So it is a plus b whole square. So x square plus 1 plus 2x plus 2 into, come on, y square plus 4 minus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. So write down x square plus 2x plus 1, open the brackets, 2y square, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. At the end, writing in the order x square plus 2y square, come on, plus 2x minus 8y. Okay, so 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 16, 25 is equal to 0. That's all for 4 marks. Okay, so whenever I start any new topic, you should be attentive. That means your brain is completely new for that topic. If you give some time and have confidence, then you can easily get the topic, right? So actually maths is very friendly subject. If you show interest on it, definitely you will get it back. Okay, so 2 types of questions we are going to get. One will be, they will give original, find the transformed equation. They have given original equation to you. We have to find transformed equation. Original equation will be always in terms of x and y. So you find out x and y. What happens to x and y after the transformation? Just substitute in place of x and y in that original equation. You will get your transformed equation. Second question is reversely. They will give transformed equation. We have to find original equation. So transformed means we have to write the equation anywhere transformed. Point will be px dash y dash. Equation will be x dash y dash. Remember this point. This is most important. They will give like normal equation, but if it is transformed equation means it should be in terms of x dash y dash. Okay. So your transformed equation is given to you. Find the original equation. So we need x dash value, y dash value, y. Transformed equation will be in terms of x dash, y dash. So how we will get our x dash value and y dash value means, already we know that after the transformation x becomes x dash plus h. We want this value. So send h this side, x dash is equal to x minus h. Similarly, we want y dash value, so send k this side, you will get y dash is equal to y minus k. Shifted origin is always denoted by h comma k, so we know h comma k, we substituted, with that you got your x dash, you got your y dash. Once we got x dash y dash value in the transformed equation, you substitute those values. Now see, your values will be in terms of x and y, and expand it and simplify. That is the original equation, So always remember, original means it will be in terms of x and y, right? And transformed means find the transformed equation. First question, at the end we got x dash y dash. Find the original equation. At the end we have to get the equation in terms of x and y. Okay, so this is about your translation of axes. Chapter name is transformation, change of axes. Also you can write that name instead of transformation, change of axes. So this change of axis happens in two ways. So one is called translation of axis, second one is rotation of axis. Today we dealt with the translation of axis. When it happens means if we shift the origin from one place to another place, then translation of axis happens. So if we shift the origin from 0, 0 to h, k, there will be changes in your x value and y value. X becomes x dash plus h, y becomes y dash plus k. So by applying this formula, we solved. Based on this formula, we will get only two types of problems. First, they will give original, find the transformed. Next, they will give transformed, find the original. Okay, so I think you got these 2 points, right? Whenever in the question transformed equation is given, try to write your equation in terms of x dash and y dash. After the transformation, the coordinates becomes x dash, y dash. Automatically, equation also becomes in terms of x dash, y dash. Okay, so practice the problems. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.